let's go. The Z800. Woo. Oh, it's so fast. It's so fast, man, buddy. Oh, I love it. I was expecting him to be like, "You put that shit down." It's just like those are older people, but then they're just smiling. They're just like, "Oh, he's having a good time." Oh man, it's so. I've always had the intrusive thought to just. I always have the intrusive thought to just hop on the curb and then just go a little like hop off. Please turn, get out of my way, get out, scoot, get out of my way. Yes, thank you, good sir. Is that a S1000? Oh yeah, he's coming. Oh, let's go. Ow, buddy. I think I was an S1000. I didn't get a good view of it. Oh. Oh, that thing's sick, dude. The Z800. I'll catch up to him. That was a Z800, I think is what that was. I've actually never seen one in person. Those things look pretty good. I always thought they looked a little wonky compared to like the Z9. The thing looks honestly pretty sick. That's a sick looking bike, dude. If you've seen this video, I like your bike. The Z800 is honestly, like I said, I thought they looked a little wonky at first, but oh yeah, I don't think I ever made an intro to the video. What's going on, guys? It's Mr. Lucky Moto. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful day for a ride. I love riding my motorcycle. Scanning for bikers. Biker lost. See, the thing is, I honestly have like pretty filtered content for compared to what I usually would say and stuff like that. So I don't know if I should. Oh, that's Metro. Oh, that's Metro. We're good. They're just professional snitches. Oh, what is that? Is a CBR 1000? I think it was 1000. I'm not sure though. Ah, dude, I love having a helmet on and all that. I don't understand the people that like riding without helmets. Well, because first off, here in Washington State, it's against the law. Second off, I just feel like a badass wearing one of these. I'm wearing a clear visor right now, so I kind of feel exposed. But it's nice. You feel like Batman, and that's how you have to look at it with everything. Because you look like Batman on a motorcycle, period. Especially if it's like a naked bike, a black naked bike, dude. You look so much like Batman. Wearing all black. See me? I look like white man. Look like Dalmatian. Dalmatian man. There's the mix of like the whites, the whites, and the blacks. I am Dalmatian man. Okay, that was probably one of the dumbest jokes I've ever made. Oh, what's going on up here? Dude's literally just pulled over in the middle of the road. I don't know what's going on there, but I'm guessing. I have no idea. It's such a nice day out. It's a little warm, honestly. Also, that was my first stoppie on this bike. I just realized that. I've tried before, but I guess I never braked hard enough in order to do it. I guess I could run into Safeway real quick and grab myself some energy drinks. That's one thing I could do. Turning at the light. Oh, you're turning at the light. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna yeet myself on over here. Come on, Jeep, go. You can do it. Go. 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 I need to take this thing to the stunt line, actually like learn how to wheelie this thing. I want to get this thing to where I'm like, where I can like balance it. I want to get it up to balance point, just like rock it. Gosh, I'm missing that so much. I'm going to pause this before I get copyrighted. Let's go get Twinkity Twinks. You know what? I just haven't had a Red Bull. I don't know. I'm a monster.
Please scan it now. Scan items one at a time, placing them in the bagging area after each scan.
Alright, and now to work. And I probably will not record my way there just because it's so close. And oh no, it's the popo. Oh shit, they're after me. They are after me. Yeah, so I will probably see you guys later tonight because it's going to be dark by the time I'm recording again. And yeah, so I will see you guys in the evening. Let me do like actually like proper, just like. Oh, I really need to learn how to wheelie on this thing. This thing is going to be so much fun to wheelie. And it ended up coming a bit higher than I thought. Oh, there's a cop right there. Look at him go. Oh, brother. Let's go. Such a beautiful day or night. Yeah. Oh, what are you? What are you? You a little mini truck? You look like a mini truck. Not truck. The Ford Ranger. Oh, a big series. No, we're gonna take the twisty way. The twisty way. The fun way. Let's go. Oh gosh, these brakes do like nothing. Okay, we're probably not going to be sending it up this too horribly hard. Because these brakes, oh my gosh, these brakes do like nothing. Oh my gosh, why are you going so slow? Keep going, buddy. Ow, ow. Damn, but look at that view of the city. Oh my gosh, you know what? We're just going to pull, we're going to pull on over in here. So that way we can get a really good view of the city. Oh man, look at this. I'm just going to turn this off right now. Damn. That's such a pretty view. Oh, I gotta get a Snapchat of this. Okay, now you guys do not get my Snapchat. You do not get to see the feet pics that I am selling on there. I just wanted to swing down here real quick. I don't know which way I want to go now. So, it's a turkey! Turkey, motherfucker! Woo! Turn my brights off. I request that you turn your brights off too, sir! I really need to see about getting these adjusted. I cannot see far enough in front of me to be comfortable sending it. I really should have gone the other way. Now I'm going to be stuck here, waiting for this light to turn. Waiting on the sky to change. I sit in my desolate room. No lights, no music. Toast anger. I forgot what the exact lyrics are. Oh, please. Yay! Where are you going? Where are you going? You are going straight. Perfect. I'm gonna go this way. Sir. Goodbye. The end. Woo! Look at me go! Look at music now? Oh wait, shit! Hey! 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 Roxanne, motherfucker! Roxanne, all she wanna do is party all night. Goddamn, Roxanne, better at a party in the hills. Yeah, what are you looking at me for? All right. Time to go into Freddy's, because I need soapies. I need soapy for me. Alright, let's go. I don't know. What do you think of these versus like the Dr. Squatch ones? There's a good old manly pine scent.
Ooh.
Manly. That one, I don't remember. I got the blue and the yellow one last time. Oh my gosh. Hey, really? Really?
Can
Why?
I stick both of them in my visors?
No, babe. No. Put them down. Put them down.
Probably could.
You could, definitely, but put them down.
Okay, let me actually smell that one. I didn't get to smell it.
Mm-hmm. All right, ready? Let's go. I'm recording you. I am recording you, and you are recording me. I'm recording the recording that is recording me and recording me recording it.
I have a feeling this is going to stay in the video.
Yep. And end this video right now, so thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on notification bell so you can see next time I upload. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It